So magandang araw kabola, sa video nito pag-uusapan po natin kabola, strong horse. We will name po 5 free agents kabola that they can target, and then marami tayong babasahin po ng comments ng mga fans kabola. Kaya kung may comment ka sa video na ito, meron kang opinion, comment mo na yan. Eric Milk, magiging kawawa si Aurin pag nagkatotoo. Babangkuin lang si SMB, may kakwentuhan na si Avan. Hindi ko nga rin alam kung bakit bangko sinapa sa San Miguel. Pero again, suggestion lang po yan yung trade na yan, suggestion lang po. Sotero Constantino, Mo Teng lang ang Blackwater, Bearfield TNT, Mike Kiwi, Converge Power SMP. Malyari Mascareñas, special naman na idol, thank you so much. Plus yung team ko sa Supreme Court of Philippines. Then kukunin ng SMB, sabi naman ni Boss Malyari Mascareñas. Wow, solid na nakuha ng Blackwater, nakahurt sila. Tama yan, sabi niya kabol. Again, suggestion lang po yan. And again, we suggested po thinking that all teams po kabola will try to get a fair package kabola. Marcelo Bayados, aminin natin na naging magaling siya dahil halos na magagaling na player ay nasa kanya. Balik si Coach Tab sa gila, kung sino man gusto ni Coach Tab na player ibigay ng PBA. Sabi niya kabola regarding kay Coach Tim Cone ito, I disagree kabola. Coach Tim Cone did not win, did not achieve those in his first 1 year and a half kabola just because he has a very strong lineup, kundi dahil din magaling po talaga din siyang coach kabola. He knows what he is doing. Di pa panahon para magpalit? Manhid ba si Tim Cone? Mahirap ba magdagdag ng players? Again po, ang explanation dyan kabola is that he has a plan, he has a strategy. And again, Coach Tim Cone is the coach kabola na pinaka long term mag-isip sa history po ng PBA, and he succeeds with that type of thinking. So for me, it is very hard to challenge that kabola if with his statements clearly kabola that everything that is happening is still part po of his strategy. Fair naman dahil mukha lang mang kay Chua lugi kay Mikey dahil patanda na Winston. Bata pa. Sabi niya dun sa atin pong trade suggestion po na binigay. Kabola. Now before we go to the top 5 free agent na isasuggest na strong horse, comment lang ako dito kabola. Sa trending, kailan Chongson daw kabola is boyfriend na daw po nitong si Miss Aya or ano ba to? Iya, di ko alam. Ng Bini. Yan. Sikat po na girl group kabola P-pop. Kabola, of course, we are not here to comment kung sila na nga, di ba kabola? I will held those po na nasa showbiz accountable na to determine kung sila na nga po or hindi. Pero ang gusto ko lang dito, buti naman at sa isang player po na independent teams nangyari yan, di ba? At the very least, they gain interaction. I hope, Bini fans, try to watch them. Kailan is a very good player. Kailan is a very easy to like type of player pag nakapanood yung push sa court. So please watch the games of an independent team, rain or shine. Now this is now our top 5 na free agents po na isasuggest natin sa strong horse. Kasi hindi lang naman trade mo pwede mapalakas yung team mo eh. Number 5, JC Marcelino kabola. He was the top scorer in the most recent season of MPBL, and for me, if you can be a top scorer in MPBL, for me that's already a guarantee that at the minimum you are an average scorer in the PBA. So they should try to get JC. Number 4 ko, Matthew Canuelas Roser. I still believe that Matthew is one of the unique players na sobrang hirap po makahanap. Legit 6'5", 6'6" kabola that can really handle the ball, that can really play the point guard position kabola. Kung hindi man siya kabola makakapag-contribute consistently inside the court, I'm pretty sure outside the court, in the trainings, the development of young players, marami po siyang may tutulong. Yusuf Taha will be my number 3. If the quality of his play is still there kabola, it will be very good to try and get him. The guy is 6'7". He can pass very well. Number 2 ko, Cal Brian Cruz. Easily the best 3-and-D forward sa MPBL last season. For me, you can still be a very good, even an above average 3-and-D forward po in the PBA. And this type of positions, players kabola is mahirap pong hanapin. Number 1 pa rin natin is of course Greg Slaughter. Come on, if they want to contend right away, getting the biggest player available out there kabola to play for them is the right thing to do. Greg kabola is still there. Yes, he is big. Yes, he is slow, but he is big, and that is very important. If they want to get him though, they need to discuss po trade with Northport, and I think it is worth it. Kababal sa mo. Ito ba yung dapat target po ng strong horse? Comment na po sa baba.